So hello guys, our today's tutorial is on how to add a text on your sketch. This is our today's tutorial. So firstly select all the planes and click on show. Then select front plane and click on sketch. Then just draw any sketch. I am drawing here the random rectangle. This is the center point rectangle, and click on the sketch menu or the text menu, sketch text menu. So I am selecting here the line. You need to draw a one reference line for that. So I am writing here the text or the adding here the text which we need to add on our sketch. You can also see as I written on the text box which can interpret on our line. You can bold and italic to our sketches. You can also see here the some alignment options. You can also divert our sketch from the straighten position to the opposite position at the start of writing, and you can also upward sketch and downward sketch. You can see also on the screen the sketch is at above the line, and another option shows the sketch is on our bottom line. You can use these options to rotate as per your sketch. So this is our today's tutorial. So thank you.